Today I'm going to show you how to make a Virgin Strawberry Daiquiri. I know your time is important, so I'll get right to it. To get started, you'll need a few things: organic cane sugar, fresh strawberries and a bag of frozen strawberries, a lime and a twist and juice, a cocktail umbrella, and a smoothie straw. First, pour 2 cups of frozen strawberries into the blender, then pour in half a cup of water. Now cut a fresh lime in half. I recommend using a fresh lime. I do not recommend using pre-made lime juices like the ones that come in the plastic bottles you can buy at the grocery store. It's not going to taste the same if you use that. Always use a fresh lime. Now pour in the fresh squeezed lime juice. 1 lime is going to come out to about 2 tablespoons of juice. Now blend for about 30 seconds. Now pour it into a glass of your choice. Now you can garnish it with a fresh strawberry. Now add a lime wedge. And now for the most important part, the umbrella. Now just add a smoothie straw and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.